Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a simple payment button to your WordPress site. The whole process only takes about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have a quick way to accept payments right on your website. So let's get started. Open up your browser and head over to WordPress.com. Once the homepage loads, look up in the top right corner and click on the login button. Instead of typing in another password, choose the option that says Continue with Google. This makes things faster and more secure. If you've got multiple accounts, just pick the one that's linked to your site. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the right side, in the Quick Links section, click on Edit Site. That will open up the site editor where you can customize your pages. Next, select the website where you want to add the payment button. Once the editor is active, look up at the top left corner and click on the plus icon. This is where you can add new blocks and features. From the menu that appears, scroll down until you see the section labeled Monetize. This section is built specifically for features that help you generate revenue on your site. Inside that section, find and click on Payment Buttons. As soon as you select it, WordPress will drop a new payment button block directly onto your page. From here, you can customize the button however you like. Adjust the label, connect it to your payment method, and set it up to fit your needs. It's simple, straightforward, and gives your visitors an easy way to pay. And that's it. You've just added a fully functional payment button in WordPress. It's a small step that can make a big difference if you're ready to start collecting payments online. So yeah, enjoy the new feature and keep exploring other monetization tools WordPress offers to make your site even more powerful.